Hi there, today we look at how we can document the indexes. First, we created a profile for the Northwind database. Secondly, a connection was made to the database to extract the schema and indexes. Let's just refresh that content. We select tables to view all the tables in our database. From there we can see the schema columns, indexes, and data. Let's access the data. We can also perform CRUD functions on the data directly. We go back to the tables list. Let's see our index for categories. We generate a PDF indexes report. There is also CRUD functionality for indexes. This has just been added for consistency and will be explored later. So at the moment, no real index is added or deleted. We can also access the index list per table from the tree view. So it's the columns, the indexes, and the data that one can access easily.